In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Zoom black screen issue. If you've ever tried to share your screen during a Zoom meeting and encountered a frustrating black screen, you're not alone. This problem can interrupt important presentations and discussions, so today, I'll guide you through the process step by step to rectify this situation quickly and efficiently. The first thing we need to do is verify that screen sharing is enabled in your Zoom settings. This is a common oversight that can easily be corrected. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to your Zoom account. Once you're logged into your account, look for the Settings option. It's crucial to ensure we're in the right place to make these adjustments. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled In-Meeting Basic. Here, you'll find various options that control what features are available during your Zoom meetings. Scroll until you find the screen sharing setting. If you notice it's toggled off, go ahead and toggle it on. This simple change could be what's needed to solve the black screen issue. Once you have ensured screen sharing is enabled, another vital step is to check for any available updates for your Zoom application. Software updates often include fixes for bugs and issues such as the black screen, so keeping your app updated can prevent many problems. To do this, open your Zoom app and head to your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the application window. Click on your profile icon, which opens a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see the option to check for updates. Selecting this prompts Zoom to look for any available updates. If there are updates, make sure to download and install them. This process may take a few minutes, but it's an important step to ensure you're running the latest version of Zoom, which could directly resolve the black screen problem. So, there you have it. By ensuring that screen sharing is enabled and checking for any software updates, you can effectively address and resolve the Zoom black screen issue. It's a simple process, but sometimes these small adjustments can have a significant impact on your Zoom experience. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and troubleshooting guides. Happy screen sharing and have a great day.